Hi everyone, welcome to Painting Lab update number 5. This update's going to be really quick, and it's basically going to come in the form of an apology. So there's a kind of logjam of possibility at the moment, and the reason that this has taken a little bit longer is that I've been experimenting with something, and believe me, I think it's going to be worth the wait. It's not the comparator mirror, but it is a second way for us to explore the gap, or to bridge the gap really, between expert painting technique and perhaps you, if you're watching this without much confidence to draw and paint, but you want to pick up paints and a brush and get started. I'm going to show you quickly a snippet of this. I'll just switch the image around. There you go. So what we've got here are two printed images applied to canvases. In the next update, I'm going to show you how you can quickly stretch a canvas very cheaply and get started with painting, and I'm also going to show you a technique that's going to allow you to finish paintings which you see me begin on the channel. So I hope you guys are enjoying the content that's coming on the channel. That's the most important thing, that you're engaged. Even though we're not getting that many views at this point, not really worried about that at all. At this stage, this is all about dialing in the tone of Painting Lab, and the emails and comments and suggestions you guys are sending through are really helping me to do that. And so once we've got our ship together, then we can set sail. That's kind of my thought on the whole thing. If you are new to Painting Lab and you haven't seen the other videos, they are much more substantial than this one. You probably want to go and check them out. If you don't know anything about comparator mirror painting, where have you been?
Nothing beats that few minutes that I had actually using it.
The fact that one tiny little circular mirror has changed someone's confidence. That, to me, that's magic.
So don't forget to like and subscribe, leave me a comment, you know, all the normal stuff. And I will see you in another 7 days, where I will reveal, I promise you, a genuine strategy for you and I to begin exploring drawing and painting together. See you in a week's time. Cheers guys, bye.